was scary. Okay, I guess we're not going.
So let's listen to Kazan this time? What the crap was that? That's ice. Alright.
That's nice. Let's try it. Let's go. Let's try it out. Yeah.
Let's try the brush this time.
I thought we were stuck.
That's ice.
We good.
Guys,
Woo! You!
without any hesitation, drive them right in there.
I'm here with the one and only gun polygamist and soldier.
My brother, nice to
Yo.
in the house.
I got the merch on today.
Guys, check out the merch. Visit the website and grab it now. All right. We're just gonna hightail it out a bit. Just came to drop off our stuff. I mean, we brought a few guns. Woo! Beautiful day. Doesn't look like it, but it sure is. That's kind of what I love about the
Gloves in the car.
Did you? You have to go back. We in the wild right now, guys.
Bear poop.
Like-
just over there by the forest.
So Soldier, our scout, he just saw some bear poop, fresh bear poop laid just beyond that ridge over there. GP is, there he is. Setting up our target over there. More poop? Man, don't they have a bear pooper scooper?
That's fresh. You can still smell it.
Wow. Well, hopefully we don't end up in that pile.
So cold. You come right there.
Wow. There's our targets for the day. I'm not sure, maybe 150 yards? 200, perhaps? Woo!
I know what Ric Flair feels when he says that. I'm out here, an amazing day. Soldiers behind the camera. My brother, nice 2K in the house.
What's going on, brother? We're going for the orange torso. I don't know. 100 plus? Hey!
Ting. I heard a ting.
You up there?
Safety was on. I like I've never done that before. You're high right.
Did I get it?
Nope.
Nope, high right.
Which one are you going for?
Soldier, you smart ass.
5 yards.
You missed.
I'm gonna go for the steel torso. Yeah.
If I take a guess, that looks like 150, but I'm guessing. All right, go ahead.
Anyways, I'm gonna try it out
We're gonna
and
calculate
see.
it at 150 yards. And what are you shooting, Chris?
Right now I'm shooting the BCL MRX Bison Ranger. It's in 5.56. I've got the SIG Buckmasters 3 to 12 scope on it, held on by some Vortex rings.
That's gorgeous, buddy. That
Thank
is
you.
a sexy machine.
Thank you.
You
Thank
should
you very
give her
much.
a nickname.
I haven't yet, but we'll see how she performs today.
If you're okay being beauty, she's beast.
Or the other way around. My friend, Ear Pro.
Yeah, thank you.
Soldier Ear Pro?
That's okay.
What's that?
You're on.
I'm on?
You're on. Yeah, you're on.
That was solid, brother.
Done? Awesome.
Nice 2K doing this thing.
Word. Yeah. Thanks so much. 110 yard SKS. Soldier. Iron sights. He's on.
First shot.
He's on.
He's feeling
Hate the
himself.
trigger.
It's hard, eh?
It's not hair sensitive. It has pull. Look.
Yeah.
That's pull to it. I hate that.
First shot.
Woo!
First shot. So you're right. Nice. Nice set it. Apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
There you go.
The tree is where it starts. The tree is where it starts. Hey, ball.
You shooting? You shooting? You shooting?
This is concussion joy. This is the adrenaline you get.
Okay,
This is the happiness.
so for the record, I won that channel. I hit all 5.
You won all 5 because I didn't know his trigger pull was so bad.
Got Soldier Boy here in the 30-06. Woo!
Stiff, eh?
Beautiful.
Headshot.
Headshot. When you see red, it's dead. That's how I understand it. When you see red, it's dead.
You had no ear pros on. You don't need.
Oh shit, Ear Pro.
Buddy, it's like somebody
forgot to
just kicked
remind
me in
you.
the head.
I did tell you so. You're gonna want ear pro for a 30-06.